Hi, my name's Charlie. I'm from Short Block Charlie's, and today we're going to talk about doing a CNC valve job on a twin cam head, which also is applicable between the Evo Big Twin and the Sportster heads. But I thought I would show you the differences on the 99 through 05 twin cam head and then the 06 and newer 7mm valve head. Let's look at the 99 head. Some of the changes that you'll see is one is the intake port is quite a bit different. It has a lower floor on the port compared to the 06 head. The other difference that you'll see is when we look at the exhaust ports, the early head has a real small exhaust port, and the 06 and newer has a bigger diameter exhaust port. The other differences that you'll see is the early heads use a 311 valve guide diameter for their stem, where the newer heads use a 7mm diameter stem. On the valve guide seals, on the early heads they used the old Evo style tin valve stem guide seal with a cardboard to seal, and then in the 06 the newer seals are the black and orange ones. They have the black with the orange top that they used for valve guide sealing. In the heads that I do, we use a Viton seal for the 311s that looks like this, and then we use for the 7mm valve, we use a Viton seal that looks like this. The other differences, of course, is the valve guides. These are the early valve guides, which will fit in both the old heads and the new heads, the 7mm heads. The way we build these in-house, these are made out of tough met nickel, aluminum bronze, and one of the things that we do when we build our valve guides is we put a stop to set the heights, and then we turn them down so that they will fit our Viton seals. On the 7mm, we also manufacture them in-house, and they have a 7mm hole, of course, and then the top of them is the same because of the bigger valve guide seal. The other thing that is a little subtle differences is we make a rounded entrance for the exhaust, and we have more of a tapered entrance for the intake valve guide. Next we're going to do is we're going to take these heads and we're going to go in back and we're going to do a CNC valve job. First we're going to remove the old valves. We put the head in the oven and we heat it up to 350 degrees, and we'll remove the valve guides. Next we install the valve guides. We put some anti-seize on the valves and then we install them. Now we take the valve guides that we installed and we ream them to size. Then we perform a CNC valve job, and then the head is completed.